morning! I got here another product from Bosch, freshly delivered by Lazada. So, I already started opening it when I realized na I have to share the video of unboxing it. So, I'll continue the unboxing. So, I got this from Lazada during the 12/12 sale. Okay, this one. So it has a small scratch on the corner. So I got this for 1,249 pesos, but according to their website, they're selling this for around 2,999 pesos. So that's almost half of the published price. I want the label to be intact, so I'm carefully removing the tape from the inside. So this one is a Bosch GO. This is the new model, the Pro. So as you can see, it's still sealed. It operates at 3.6 volts. And I want to take a picture of this. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So inside, you will see the screwdriver itself. And we have here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 32 piece set, 33 including the adapter, quick release, wherein you can put it directly on the screwdriver. So inside, you will see a USB cable for charging. So the charging port is at the back of the screwdriver set. And here, I believe this is the power and this is the direction. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's blinking. But still doesn't know what it means. Okay, let's try. So inside you have a manual and then the warranty card. Okay. So you can see here on the label, you need to press the power, and then it has a pressure sensor that drives the screwdriver down if the direction is down, and then it drives it back upwards if you press or slide. Yeah, it's okay. So you slide the button up or down. Okay. So let's try. So I have here a piece of wood. I have the screwdriver. I'll select the right driver. So let's try. Okay, I put it on down, power. I'm using automatic. Okay, so I'll adjust the torque. Oh, good. One more. Okay, I have a screw here. Try to drag it down. And then all the way down. Good. Setting is, I'm almost at the maximum. Oh, no, not yet. Okay. So just 1/3. If you want to manually drive the screw, you press the power button. To remove the screw, slide the direction slider up and then press down. One more. Okay, very good. Nice product. Thank you, Bosch.